Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. Today in the 50th match we have a contest between two different approaches which have them at the top of the table. Head to head CSK have dominated on all accounts, but in the last 3 games DC came out on top after conceding 3 back-to-back defeats in 2019. Both sides should be fielding full strength sides because they need to land a spot in the top 2. Pitch-wise, this is expected to be a low-scoring affair where the chasing team should come out on top. Although CSK have been the most successful team on this venue, both teams have played 1 game each this season that ended in wins. Both teams have dominated 3 phases each, but CSK's batting power play will be a crucial session which could decide the fate of the game as both teams are highly impressionable in this particular phase. Let's dig into the matchups. Dhoni has below average numbers against express pacers, which is a massive red flag considering Delhi's pace battery. Other insights only make it easier to eliminate him from the fantasy 11 for today. The birthday boy enjoys playing against CSK and should come out with a classy knock on his special day. He doesn't have any shortcomings except for express bowlers, but CSK doesn't have any. Jadeja has exceptional batting numbers all around, especially against express pacers, and he's relishing the role of the finisher. He's a must-have in the team. Gaikwad is averaging 100 plus at Dubai and is in his purple patch. Though rarely batsmen have followed a century knock with a good score, have him in the team just to be on the safer side. Not recommended for captain or vice captain. The contest between Shaw and Chahar will be an interesting one since Chahar has dismissed him 5 times so far. Faf has been excellent this season but has struggled against Rabada, who is struggling himself. Raina has a very contrasting numbers against spin and pace and is a big no for today's team. If we look into the pattern this season, have Jadeja, Dhawan and Hitmyer in the 11 if CSK bats first. Among bowlers, Nokia and Avesh have been consistently picking wickets while Jadeja hasn't made an impact with the ball yet. On the form front, Gaikwad has made around 300 runs in the last 5 innings where Dhoni Raina haven't scored even 40. Raina is the leading run getter in the head-to-heads while Dhawan has made a lasting impact with an average of 65. Pant has been fiercely destructive and Ashwin is leading the list of wicket takers. For the Fantasy 11, you can build your team around Pant, Dhawan, Gaikwad, Faf, Jadeja and Avesh. In the big pools, you can take risks with 3 all-rounders. That is all from us today. Thank you for joining us in the preview. Please like and subscribe if you found it informative. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, including the website where you can dig extensive stats on IPL. See you in the next one.